Welcome to our current affairs channel, पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की. Today we will talk about caste census. What is caste census? Bihar is planning to conduct state-specific caste-based census exercise. This comes after a delegation of Bihar leaders led by the Chief Minister met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and urged him to hold caste census in the country. But later, the central government had refused to hold the same. Now, what is the issue? Well, the union government had told the Supreme Court that the caste-based data enumerated in the socio-economic caste census SECC of 2011 was unusable. But in 2016, the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India had informed the Standing Committee on Rural Development that 98.87% of the data on individual caste and religion was error-free. Now, why the data is unusable according to the government? Well, the government said that the total number of castes surveyed in 1931 was 4,147. While the SECC figures show that there are more than 46 lakh different castes. Assuming that some castes may bifurcate into subcastes, the total number cannot be exponentially high to this extent. The entire exercise was corrupted because the enumerators had used different spellings for the same castes. In many cases, the respondents had to refuse to divulge their castes. Now, how have caste details been collected so far? While the SC and ST details are collected as part of the census, details of other castes are not collected by the enumerators. The main method is by self-declaration to the enumerator. So far, backward classes commissions in various states have been conducting their own counts to ascertain the population of backward castes. What kind of caste data is published in the census? Every census in independent India from 1951 to 2011 has published data on scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, but not on other castes. Before that, every census until 1931 had data on caste. The socio-economic caste census of 2011 was a major exercise to obtain data about the socio-economic status of various communities. It had two components, a survey of the rural and urban households and ranking of these households based on preset parameters, and a caste census. However, only the details of the economic conditions of the people in rural and urban households were released. The caste data has not been released till now. Well, the difference between census of SECC and census is the census provides a portrait of the Indian population, while the SECC, that is socio-economic caste census, is a tool to identify beneficiaries of state support. Since the census falls under the Census Act of 1948, all data are considered confidential, whereas all the personal information given in the socio-economic caste census is open for use by government departments to grant and or restrict benefits to households. Now, the advantage of caste census is that the precise number of the population of each caste would help tailor the reservation policy to ensure equitable representation of all. Well, there are some concerns. There is a possibility that it will lead to heartburn among some sections and spawn demands for larger or separate quotas. It has been alleged that the mere act of labeling persons as belonging to a caste tends to perpetuate in the system. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more regular updates. पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की.